Emails. We love it, we hate it, and we use it almost every day. Things have changed since we don't write the classic letters anymore with pen and paper. And it seems that the classic letter's politeness disappeared with it. Especially if you use emails for work, there's a few guidelines you should look into. First of all, you should formally start and end your email. Before you get right to the point, ask yourself if the recipients know you or if you better introduce yourself. When making your request, be polite, but keep it short and simple. If a deadline is to be met, don't be afraid to mention it. This way you help your colleagues to prioritize. If you have asked for support, don't forget to thank your colleagues in advance. Before you send your email, read it again and check for spelling errors, if you've added a signature, if the subject line is filled, or if you need to add attachments. Congratulations! You've written an appropriate work email. No need to hide behind the good old handwritten snail mail anymore. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more, please visit us on serendipity.com.